Oh, this is fantastic. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew, and this episode, foolproof methods for great urban portraits. And to model for us,
Hi, I'm Michelle.
once you get your exposure correct, change it to continuously low. And once you got this on burst mode, what you do is, Michelle, I want you to change 4 poses in a sequence. Don't stop and just move. All right, you ready? And 1, 2, go. Love this. Right, look away from the camera. That's nice. Change another one. Look away, look up. Right, that's good. Oh, this is fantastic. You notice that with shots like this, you get random poses and then you get an emotion different every single time, and you even get that motion blur that is so candid and natural. Look at that hair flinging shot. I love this the most. And the next technique, try out different lenses for portrait. Use any lenses, in fact even try wide angle lenses. In fact, watch this episode where I use wide angle lenses on Helen and the photos still look fantastic. So the point is this, try out different lenses, and these are photos that I got with wide angle on Michelle. And these are the prime lenses. And even try the 18-200 kit lenses. You'll be surprised when you have a beautiful location, you're still gonna get nice shots. And here's the thing, if you don't like the photo, you can always delete them. So let your lenses surprise you and don't just stick to prime lenses all the time. Next tip, introduce some vignette. That's right, these dark corners that you get on classic portraits, these are called vignettes. But the problem is modern digital cameras have been removing them for years now, so you don't see vignettes anymore. I kinda miss them because they give them that classic moody look. I'm gonna show you how you can get vignette again easily. One of the best ways to get a natural vignette is to use your camera's neck strap. Though I don't use a strap, but I brought one to show you how you do this. Get your subject to do your favorite pose, focus on her, and then put a strap and create a little bit of a vignette like so. And that will give you that retro vignette look. The next tip, make sure that your subject faces the sun. In my case, Michelle is directly facing the sun, and you come right here. And then what you do is get Michelle or your subject to strike a beautiful pose. And I went to the back and set a remote flash directly behind her and planted against the shoulder. And I set the power to quite high at about 1/8 of a power on manual power. Come to your camera, pop up the flash, but this time use a low F number. Say f2.8, f2, and then make sure that your ISO is not too high, about 100 or 200. Come to the front and let me show you what you're gonna get. That's a beautiful pose, and boom. Look at this fantastic shot. This is so overexposed, but it's still so exquisite. I'm gonna bring down my ISO and do a few more shots. I love this look, Michelle. Okay, Michelle, I just want you to look in front, do a pose. And with the same flash at the back, come to your flash now and add gels. So I've got orange color gel here and yellow ones. You can try with those warming gels. and slap on the gel, set this power. It was originally at 1/8. Now you got to bump it up because every gel will cut away 2 stops. So I'm bringing this up to like almost 1/2, slightly less than 2 times, and then point it directly at Michelle. If you want to learn how to add on flash and add on gel, stuff like this, head on to my e-learning website here and check out these courses that deals with lighting, flash photography or advanced flash. And then come to the front, do the exact same thing at f2, and then meter this to negative. Look at that fantastic background, but this time, see what we get. Wow, the lights are colored now. Experiment with different color of gel and see what you get. And then mix it with your camera's white balance on Kelvin and change your ABGM shift, which is your color filter, and get kaleidoscopically beautiful fashion portraits which are done in an urban location. And get fantastic looking colored urban portraits. Oh, that's beautiful. Get yourself a wall. Find a wall like this. If you can get a brick wall or textured wall or wall with mural, so much better. And then what you do is that go and move your camera behind it and partially use this wall as a foreground to soften the foreground. And you're going to be rewarded with shots like this. I call this a wall foreground lit in. If you want to learn about foreground lit in, watch this episode. This is one of my most popular episodes on YouTube. And if you watch this episode, you're going to learn a lot of things from it. And one of it is foreground lit in. That's nice. Softer a bit. Just down a little. Yeah. Right, smile a little bit. With the flash 8 feet away from Michelle at a power of 1/8 on a manual setting, what I need to do is to teach you the setting on the camera now. What is left now is another 8, the F value, F8. Hey, did you watch this episode? If you haven't, strongly suggest that you watch it, where I went through the formula of 888 to get perfect lighting every single time. So 8 feet away from your subject, F8, and the power of 1/8. Top up this built-in flash, ISO 200, you can use ISO 100 if you want to, just move your flash closer, and that's a beautiful pose. Get a shot like this, and look at this fantastic photo. So viewers, those are the tips and tricks of how you can get fantastic urban portraits. Hey, did you enjoy this episode? If you do, I'd like to invite you to my e-learning website right here, where I have 25 different courses on e-learnings. Each of them teaching you how to be better photographers, ranging from topic of product photography, advanced flash, flash photography, how to shoot in full manual mode, business portraits, and those are the e-learnings. I also have these premium courses, one of our most popular courses in the whole website. And every week we upload video lessons on a wide topic of photography topic, from post-processing to camera settings, compositions, lighting skills, street photography, you name it. All of those are in premium courses. And if you want to get access to all the e-learnings and also premium courses, you should truly consider my All Access account. With the All Access account, you get access to thousands of videos on my e-learning website, and together we're going to learn to be better photographers. So if you enjoy my videos and you like this channel, please subscribe, share the videos, and don't forget, show some love and support. Head on to my e-learning because we are having a promo now. Everything in this website is 50% off. Hurry, because this promo is ending soon. And hey, don't forget, if you have anything that you want to learn in photography, I'd like to hear it in the comment section or send me an email. Thank you. Oh, I nearly forgot. We also have our YouTube membership here. Show some love, show some support so that I can continuously make YouTube videos like this. And together we're going to be better in photography.